Welcome! This SwellPro tutorial video demonstrates the steps required to recalibrate the Spry accelerometer. Accelerometer calibration should only be necessary if the drone is brand new, the drone has been flown extensively in ATTI mode, when in GPS flight mode and using only the throttle joystick, the drone drifts at an angle, or the drone has been subjected to heavy shaking. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Power on the remote controller and the drone. Wait for the FPV interface to finish initialization. For a standard left-handed throttle setup, hold the left joystick down to the lowest position, and then fast flick the right joystick left and right continuously until initializing appears on the FPV screen. The drone will now perform the calibration. Please note, during accelerometer calibration, make sure that the aircraft does not suffer any vibration or movement. When the initializing message disappears from the FPV display, the process is complete. Power off and restart the drone. Thanks for watching.